In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add your Roblox profile link to your YouTube video description. This is a great way to connect with your audience and allow them to easily find and follow you on Roblox. This tutorial can be done on a browser, so you make sure you use your browser to do this tutorial. So, let's get started. So first, open any web browser that's available on your laptop or desktop. After you open any web browser, click the search bar and type roblox.com. While we're in a Roblox website, log into your account so that we can proceed. As you can see, mine is already open and logged in to the Roblox website. While we're in a Roblox website, click the Profile tab, which is located at the top right of the website screen beside the notification icon, or you can click the Profile tab, which is located at the upper left side of the screen, which is what I'm going to do. While we're in the Profile tab, copy the link. Make sure that you're in the Profile tab. After you copy the link, I'm going to try to open a private browser so that I can paste the link while my account is not logged in. As you can see, it works. Now, if yours is successful, try to paste it on your YouTube description so that when the players want to add you, it will directly go to your Roblox profile. By following these steps, you have successfully added your Roblox profile link to your YouTube video description. This allows viewers to easily connect with you on Roblox. Consider updating your video descriptions regularly with relevant links and calls to action to engage your audience further.